Hello, thank you for coming to my channel today and this colorful Kia. I'm one of the Kias on this channel and my name is Shakia, and I'm going to be showing you today on how I create these personalized tables. I get on my Instagram channel, how do I create them, and I told them I was going to do a video. So here's part one of the video. So this is the one that I did, and this is for the Boston Celtics, and I did half white and half green. I did the image on the front. I cut out their name, Let's Go Celtics, with vinyl, 651. And I'm going to show you another table now. So when I started the tables, this is what it started like. This was the brown. The legs come off and unscrew. I'm not quite sure where these tables came from because the girl gave them to me. So I'm going to take these legs out and I'm going to spray paint the table white. Usually I get the TV trays, and that's this right here. And they come in like the tin that I just showed that table. Comes in a chocolate brown and a black. The tables I just bought from Target earlier were black. And those one, I picked black because black is one of the main colors I'm going to use. So I don't have to paint black on the tables. The legs can stay black. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I use that you can use on the tables if you choose to. One is going to be you can use HTV, but this is vinyl, 651. You can also do printable vinyl. You can put glitter. You could do flakes. This glitter came from Michael's. The flakes come in silver, gold, and rose gold. I got these from Amazon. However, the Dollar Tree now carries them, and they're a small container like this, which is great for starters. You're also going to need acrylic. Well, you don't need it, but if you choose to do the acrylic paint for paint splatters and stuff like that, I use this sometimes for paint splatters, and I also use spray paint when I tilt the can upside down and it sprays up, and then the droplets come down. I use Rust-Oleum paint, and I get this from Walmart. You can get it from Target, I'm not quite sure about Target, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, and I do know the craft stores sell a line of paint, but I'm not quite sure what kind that is. But the acrylic paint, you can get like Apple Barrel from Walmart, and I use this, and I got this one. I'll show you the table that I just used these two on. I also use a paintbrush. When I do the paint splatters, I just dip it in the paint and I tap the brush like that. I'm going to show you this navy blue table that I'm in the works of doing now, and I painted it already, and I got this paint splatters on there. I would show you the brown table because I got to paint that one white, but it's cold here, so I'm going to run outside real fast, spray paint it, and get right back in the house because it's kind of cold. But if you need spray paint and video, I can go in the basement and do that. So if you would like to see that, comment below and leave me a message, and I could work that in for you. But I'm gonna show you the table. This one I painted the navy blue, and it has the silver and the white paint splatters. And the paint that I just showed you just a minute ago is the paint that I use, and I use this paintbrush and I splatter. So with the measuring tape, I'm going to show you. I just take the table, whatever table you're using, and take the measuring tape, and you just measure whatever length you want your images to be. You could use images, you could use pictures, like cartoon characters. Don't sell the stuff because that's copyright things, but if you want to make it for your kids, like the characters and the sports logos and stuff like that, don't sell it. But you could just measure across and how big you want it, then cut it out on your cutting machine. Or you can cut it out by hand if you don't have a cutting machine. Whatever you choose to do, that's up to you. I'm going to make this one right here, this black one. I might come back live with the third one I have, and that one's going to have my dad's face. He passed away a couple months ago, and I'm going to make a table with his face on there. So I'll probably do that one from the very beginning to the end. But these videos here is going to maybe get you started and get you going that you'll be able to do it on your own. But if you have any questions, meanwhile, in between while, just leave them below. And this is gonna be the first part of the video. So when I come back to part 2, I'm gonna have everything cut out for that blue table, and you're gonna see me lay it down. I want to show you the measurements on how I measured it, and I'm gonna lay it down while you're on camera, and then I'll finish it up with the solution that I have to put on there for the epoxy. So that everything I just gave you will get you started. So again, if you have any questions, leave them below. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, please. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.